Do you ever watch a video and think that person is not looking in the right place? It looks a little bit off, like they're looking at themselves or looking at something else, but not the camera, and there seems to be a bit of a disconnect as a result. I get this question all the time from executives who want to get better on video. Where do I look when I'm on camera? I'll answer that question in this video. When I first started working with leaders and entrepreneurs, I didn't realize this would be such an issue. But I would say of all of the things that create anxiety for people when they're putting together videos or doing an online presentation, this is in the top 4. Behind, how do I get my camera set up properly? How do I look good on video? And what do I say? In this video, I'm going to break it all down. How to look in the right place when on camera in 4 different situations. When you're shooting video with your phone, when you're shooting video on your laptop, when you're on Zoom or Google Meet or Microsoft Teams and you're in a meeting with a lot of other people. And finally, when you're on Zoom and you're the main speaker, as in you're hosting the presentation. Let me ask you, when you're watching a video and you see the presenter is not looking at the camera, do you feel less connected to that person? Let's talk about it in the comments. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. I thank you in advance. If you're looking for a video-ready checklist that will help you anytime you sit in front of the camera, you can grab the guide at cheryltanmedia.com/video tips. I always tell students in my video boot camp to practice for real. If you're not sure where the camera is, shoot a video, watch it back. That's the only way to know for sure whether you're looking in the right place. Here are some other guidelines. If you're shooting video using the camera on the back of your phone, you look into the lens, right here. If you're shooting a video using the front-facing camera, this is where you look. If you're shooting a video that is vertical, you'll look here at the top of your camera. If you're shooting a horizontal video, look for the lens, which is off to the side. This is where you would look. How about a laptop? Look for this green dot and look there. It's so important to test this out though. I recently got a new computer and during a presentation I looked at the green dot like I always did. I watched the recording back and realized I was looking too high. So now I adjust and look just under that. If you're in a Zoom meeting where other people are on screen and everyone is in a visible square, it's perfectly fine to look at the person who's talking. You won't be looking at the camera, but it's a conversation. There's an understanding in virtual meetings that you're paying attention. When you speak, look at people in the Zoom room. Now this changes when you're the presenter. If you're the host, the MC, or the keynote speaker and you're commanding attention of the virtual room, you'll be looking into the camera lens, the green dot, or right below it. I also wanted to share some tips and tricks to make it easier to look into the right place. First, make a point to watch your videos back. I keep saying this. It is the fastest way to make it a habit. You're building that muscle memory. So the next time you're on camera, you'll remember to look in the right place. A couple of other ideas to help you remember. You can put a sticker, like one of those round reinforcement stickers around the camera, or you can put any type of sticker near the camera as a reminder to look in the right place. You can use a teleprompter. If you're on your phone, the words will appear either at the top or on the side, depending on whether your video is vertical or horizontal. If you're on a laptop, you can place your script right below the camera in front of where your eyes should be, so you can refer to your notes while you're looking in the right place. Was this helpful? Let me know how you are using these tips to help you look in the right place. The effort is worth it. Videos help to create a connection with your audience, with potential customers and clients. If you were in person, you would look them directly in the eye. This is the equivalent of that. Need some tips on what to say when you're on camera? Watch this next.